Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasul Kareem amma ba'd. Honorable Chairman, respected judges, invited guests, respected teachers, dear audience, brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is an auspicious occasion because Allah has given me a golden opportunity to say something on the topic importance of education. Education plays a very important role in our life. It helps us to be successful and to be better person. Education improves our knowledge, skill, confidence level and personality. It empowers us intellectually and helps us to deal problems to today's competitive world. Good education has become a necessity. Higher education helps in getting a good job and position. Education also prepares people for different life experiences. It helps people to have a special status in society. Moreover, education polishes our mind, strong thinking and character. Education helps us to let right decision. It is the key to success in personal as well as professional life. It makes us smart enough to handle tough situation and to live a happy life. A person having good becomes good citizen of the country. Our country can progress will if citizens are well educated. All in all, education is the press of acquiring knowledge which helps to be successful. There are many benefits of good having a good status in society. Education helps behind grow is life. It is the reason behind many successful people and nations. Above all, it helps in building a better society for the citizens of a nation. It helps to eliminate the darkness of arrogance bring to the world. Thank you.